मुश्किल की घड़ी में भारत ने ईरान की पीठ पर वार किया है। ईरान का नाम नेहाद दोस्त भारत अमेरिका और इसराइल को जंग जीतने के मशवरे देने लगा। भारतीय दिफाई माहिर ने कहा कि रिजीम तब्दीली के लिए ईरान पर कई हफ्तों बमबारी करना होगी। भारतीय अपोजिशन जमात कांग्रेस ने मोदी के दौरे इसराइल पर तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात का इजहार किया। कांग्रेस का कहना है कि मोदी का दौरा इसराइल नामुनासिब वक्त पर किया गया। लड़ाई शुरू हो चुकी, वसीतर जंग के खतरात हैं।
Key point to ask is, what are the objectives of this joint American-Israeli strike? It appears to be regime change, but the simple fact is, will you be able to carry out regime change in just about 5-10 days bombing? I don't think so. More than that, you don't have the ammunition. Even the Americans don't have the ammunition to sustain a campaign like they had done for Israel, for Iraq, for 40 days. Over 40 days they had been hitting continuously. So they don't have the ammunition. The latest intelligence reports from Israel indicated that the Americans have adequate ammunition for 5 days intense campaign and about 7 to 10 days moderate campaign. Right? So the simple fact is, there is an upper limit dictated by logistics, by ammunition stockpiles, to how long you can sustain this campaign. And if you want to get a regime change at the end of it, that is what Dan Kane was saying, then you will need to sustain this for multiple weeks. Do you have the ammunition? That is the simple, logical, military demand picture question.